A chaotic and intense scene unfolds during what appears to be a police raid or standoff. Officers urgently call for ambulances as flashbangs and gunfire erupt. One officer shouts that he's been hit in the face by a bullet, while another reports being shot in the arm. Amid the confusion, officers are trying to drag their wounded colleagues to safety and transport them to the hospital. The radio traffic is frantic, with repeated calls for medical aid, tourniquets, and backup. Despite injuries, one officer takes the wheel to rush a wounded partner to the hospital, constantly reassuring him to keep breathing, stay awake, and keep talking. The tone is panicked yet determined as they race through traffic, trying not to crash while simultaneously dealing with life-threatening injuries. When they finally reach the hospital, more chaos follows as staff rush to get a wheelchair and take the wounded officer inside. The injured man, dazed and bleeding from multiple wounds, is barely able to explain what happened. The clip captures the raw, unfiltered tension of officers under fire, desperately trying to save a colleague's life in real time.
Hey! What's going on?
680. That one's broken. I don't know if it's recent. Oh, shit!
Oh my God!
Flashbang! 687, 680, we have flashbangs going off me. Captain's up there. Captain's up there. Come on. Get down.
Get me a fucking ambulance. You need ambulance.
A7, 680, we need an ambulance now.
Is it my son?
A7, watch out the window.
Is it my son?
Out of the windows.
686, 680.
687, 680, we need an ambulance now. Where are you? Are you hit with a flashbang or bullet?
Bullet in the face.
87680, do you copy? We need an ambulance. Sit down, sit down. Here. Hold on. Sit down. We're going to the hospital. Come on, sit down.
Oh, shot in the fucking arm.
Sit.
Go. Just go.
87680, I'm transporting it to he's hit. Unlock it. Are you hit? Stay. You need a tourniquet.
Just go.
Are the lights on?
Give me the radio. Relax, it doesn't do any good.
Why is it so turned off?
680.
What do you need? I'll do it on my portable.
Pay attention.
I got it. I'm transporting the
Slow the fuck down.
No, we're
Go to
fine.
the hospital on the right.
We're fine.
Hospital.
Paul's gonna take the interstate.
No.
Go with that again.
Okay, give me the mic. A2 is hit. I'm taking him to the hospital.
Just pay attention, you know.
I got it.
10-4.
Oh my God.
Which arm? Left?
Both in the face.
I can't believe you got hit.
Don't crash.
I'm not gonna crash. I'm a good driver. It's fine. I got us.
Stop.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Do not.
Well, driving is fine. It's okay, I got it. Is your body cam still on?
680.
You want it off?
682 has been hit.
Let's go.
We have one inside, as far as we know, with a weapon. 10-4.
You're fine, you're fine, you're fine.
Like EMS fire to stage at this point, then it's 10-4. 682 is en route to the cruiser. 10-4.
Keep breathing, keep breathing. You're fine, you're fine. You're okay. I know, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Slow down so we don't crash.
We're not gonna crash. I got it. I got it. I got it. It's okay. I got it. You just keep talking. Eyes open. Keep talking. Keep talking.
Fuck.
You're okay. You're okay. It's gonna be okay. You're alright. Keep breathing. Keep talking too. Can you talk to me, please?
Don't worry.
Well, I'm worried about it. Please keep talking. We're almost there. You're okay. Alright, we're gonna be okay. You're okay. What the fuck? Where? Sorry, sorry. It's okay. Alright. It's alright. We're almost there. Almost there. You're okay. It's alright. It's alright. Stay there. Wait, don't get out. Don't get out. Wait. I know. Let me get a wheelchair, okay? Stay right there.
Just go. Just let go. Let go.
No, I'm not. You have to.
Just let go. Don't.
He's Jason Gray. He's been shot.
I got shot.
A couple of times. Been shot. What is it?
327.73.
327.73.
Right here, sit right here for me. Where has he been shot?
Everywhere.
I don't know. A couple went off.
Can you make sure that they have the right person?
They do. I gave it to him.
Okay, wait, did this just happen?
Yeah, just barely. Like we just went into the house.